Today's webinar will feature the Documents portion of our Easy Facility TMS software. The main function of Documents is to create custom documents, whether it be for a custom rental agreement or a custom league agreement. And within this webinar, we'll actually go through how to create custom document templates, how to generate a custom document for a specific client, as well as what the client would see in terms of the different variations of agreement, from paper to digital to print. We will begin here in the administration section as we navigate to documents. And then for our first example, we'll go to document templates. So to create a new document template, click Create. For this template name, we'll use Pre-Authorized Debit Agreement to be sent to any customer looking to have auto debit set up. First, we'll just type in I hereby agree that, and then we'll paste in the lorem ipsum paragraphs, and then we'll actually go ahead and bold I hereby agree that as well. At the bottom, notice that you can choose what the acceptance text will read. Here we'll choose I accept the terms and conditions, and then we'll select preview. And then we'll go ahead and save. And then you'll see our template is now located here. And to actually create a document for a client, you can either do it one of two ways. One of the ways is here through Generate Documents, where you could just begin typing in the name of a client. Or the alternative is going into the client screen and actually searching for the client and then navigating to them and selecting Documents at the top and then selecting Generate Document. From here, you'll just select what document it is we're using for this client, and then you'll notice three options: paper copy, digital copy, email document. When it comes to paper copy acceptance, you'll notice when you select it, it will automatically download the PDF onto your computer so that you may open it up and print it off for the client. So what you would do is print it off, give it to the client, have them sign it, and then you could just upload it back in. For digital copy, this is where you would actually accept the acceptance from the client at the time of. So you'll see as you select it here, it offers you the option to select the checkbox that you do accept the terms and conditions, as well as entering in an optional cosigner. So for example, for Chim Richels here, he needs the approval of Mrs. Richels. And then if we go back, the third and final option is email document. Email document is probably the most popular, and that'll actually send an email copy to the client. You'll see that the document is emailed to the client's inbox. And then as we open this up, you'll see that it includes your company logo, includes the title of the document that they're being asked to sign, and all they honestly need to do is select Review and Sign, where we'll ask them to type in their own name, so Chim Richels. It'll create the signature. You again can use the optional cosigner if necessary. The bottom portion is automatically filled out with Chim's information, and then they just accept. After accepting, there's three things that can happen. They can choose to download a signed copy, which will download the PDF onto their computer. They can select Print, which will format the document, the signed document, for printing. And then they can always select Email, which will send a signed copy to their inbox. And as we go back into the Documents portion of Easy Facility, you'll notice on the left a third option, Document History. So once we're in here, you'll notice all of the most recently sent, and the default is 30 days. So the last 30 days of documents. You'll see the one that Chim Richels just signed, and if we select View, it'll actually download a PDF of the signed document to your computer. Notice that you also have the option to change the date range from 30, 60, 90, or your own custom date range, as well as you can filter by document type, you can filter by status, whether it's signed, pending, declined, or deleted. More information can be found on our support center, support.easyfacility.com. It's here where you'll find previously recorded webinars, as well as access to our support team and all of our user guide materials.